Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings and product reviews, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We would love to have you. I do want to remind you guys that we do have an active giveaway going on. It will be linked down below in the description box. It is our holiday huge elf giveaway. It is a collaboration with Samantha Sweets. Like I said, it will be linked down below in the description box. But today, as you can see, we have our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for November 2020. For those of you that are not familiar, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a $25 a month beauty subscription, and you receive 5 full-size beauty items. Now, here's the kicker. You get to select 3, y'all, 3 of the 5 items. They base the first 2 off of your personalized profile, and the other 3 you get to select like item 1 from a few items they think that you would like from your survey. Same thing for the second and the third items that you get to choose. I think that is really neat. So they just started doing that within the last few months. Prior to that, we were able to select 1 item. So I definitely like that we get to choose 3. I do have to admit, I don't remember being that excited about the choices for November, but I will see for sure when we get in here. So I will put a link for Ipsy down below if you would like to sign up. They do also have a $12 a month bag where you receive 5 sample, deluxe size, and sometimes even full size items. You can select one of those and the others are based off of your profile. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what I got this month. Some of which I chose. So let's see. Here is the bag. Now the colors I'm really loving. This feels kind of satiny almost. It's a drawstring bag. The regular Ipsy Glam bag was really, really cute. I thought it was one of the cutest bags, like the actual bag, in quite a few months. So let's go ahead and dive in. And let's see, do we have a card? Trying to remember if I did add-ons or anything, because it feels like there's a lot in that bag. So the theme for Ipsy November 2020 is be present. All right. So let's see. Okay. All right. So we've got the first item. Now this is one of the ones that Ipsy chose for me, and it's a 2-parter. So I'm trying to find. Oh, it must all be in. Must all be in here. This is from Yenza. This is the Silk Bronzing Base Sunlit Glow Bronzer and Brush Duo. 8 Super Blacks Essence. And so this is like a cream bronzer. You can pretty much, I think, it says your go-to for a natural sun-kissed glow. This 2-piece kit includes Sunlit Glow, a lightweight silk cream bronzer, paired with a skin perfecting silk bronzer blush. So you can do it on your forehead, cheekbones, and jaw. It says bring down onto chest by applying to décolletage for a natural tan. Now, I really don't use bronzer too much, and I'm not really a fan of cream products. So this will actually be in a future giveaway, so be on the lookout for that. And then the other item that they selected for me was the Complex Culture, which I believe is a brand owned by Ipsy. I'm not 100% sure on that, so don't hold me to it, but I'm like 99.9% sure that Ipsy owns Complex Culture. This is their full-time eyeshadow kit. What? Palette. Eyeshadow palette. So here's the outer packaging. Ooh, y'all. All right, so let's take a look and see. So here is the actual palette. Oh, now, okay, you know what? I don't remember being that excited about this, but These are totally my colors. I mean, it is definitely a neutral palette, but it is very, very pretty. And it does have a mirror. It looks like they have got, kind of tells you what brushes to use and things like that. Step 1, step 2, step 3, different brushes. But I'm loving the colors. So I'm actually not mad at this. So we'll just put that down there. And then now for the 3 products I chose the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in Light. I've had this before and I really, really enjoy it. So I was like, well, I know I like that, so I'll get that. And then this is from Julep. This is a cream to powder eyeshadow stick, and this is the only time, aside from lipstick, that I will get into cream products. And this is in the shade Champagne Shimmer. So let's see what it actually looks like, because if this is kind of what I'm thinking, I'll put this to the side for a giveaway as well, just because I have something very similar already. And so, very sleek. Okay, so this is very similar. I have from Thrive Cosmetics something just like this, kind of where you can highlight like right under your brow bone or your inner corner, something like that. So this will also be set to the side for a future giveaway. So we're 2 for 2. 2 for y'all and 2 for me. And then the final item, I am very excited about this. Now this is from Sugar Rush, which is Tarte's. I have a hair on my mouth. Put gloss on and, you know, struggle. But this is from Tarte, their Sugar Rush line, Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. I love lip oils, and this time of year, especially, it is getting colder here in North Carolina, so I am all about it. And this is in Fresh Pressed. Oh, it's got like a silicone gripper. So let's see. I want to see what it smells like. Whoa! And it's got one of the like super big Mac Daddy doe foot applicators. Oh, see, this is... I don't know if I even really smell anything. I thought it would be kind of fruity or... And the color, I think, is going to just be like a Your Lips, but better. Let's see. I mean, it says Fresh Pressed. It doesn't say. If I had to guess, I would say maybe peach. Maybe peach. So, to recap, we have the Tarte Sugar Rush Lip Oil, the Wander Beauty Liquid Foundation. We have the Complex Culture eyeshadow palette, which is very, very pretty, very neutral, something I will definitely grab for. And then going to the side for a future giveaway for you guys, we have the Julep eyeshadow stick. Like I said, that shade is really good for, like I said, highlighting under the brow bone, or all over the lid, however you want to use it. And the Yenza cream bronzer with brush. So I think, okay, it wasn't terrible. Wasn't terrible. Was it my favorite month? No, not at all. But was it my worst month? No, not at all. Ipsy is definitely stepping up their game, I do feel like, and they're still a little hit or miss. But for $25, you can't beat it. I mean, you get 5 full-size items, 3 of which you get to pick. I think it's a fantastic subscription, and it's not going anywhere from me. So let me know what you got down below. If you get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, were we bag twins? Did you choose any of the same items I chose? What did Ipsy choose for you? If you don't get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, are you thinking about getting it? I love hearing from you guys. I do want to say a special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so, so much to me, you guys. I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And to everyone, all of y'all, thank you for being here and taking the time to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.